Hey guys, welcome back to our channel ChandraAwesome again. Uh, in today's tutorial, we will learn about how to design this model in Onshape CAD Software, and this is totally works on Loft tool. Uh, for making this twisted part, I'm going to show you how does to make this. Okay, let's jump into the tutorial, guys. I'm just going to hide this part. Uh, okay, okay, guys. Uh, let's create the let me show this part for the reference on one side. Okay, let me create this part. We don't need this faces, just only we need top plane. Okay, and selecting the top plane again, select the sketch. I'm going to draw as per the figure. Let's coming to the top plane. uh, Create a use the rectangle and draw this, and use the circle again to make this hole to be exactly tangent to the rectangle. Now give dimension how much you want. Let's give this to 1 point. That's too much big. 1.5 inch. Set 1.5 inch. And you need to give the circle and give the diameter to 0.5. 0.6. I think this one is enough. It's too much long. Okay. Right. Select offset for this circle and draw some hole inside the 2.15. I think that's enough. Okay, and set the line, draw exactly middle point to this one, just some random. That's enough. Why I drawn like this line? Because I will show you at the end. Okay, now okay the sketch, come to the viewpoint. Now select this part and done extrude operation and give symmetric. Give 0.1, 0.2. That much thickness is enough for me, and okay it. Now we successfully created one part. Now we need to use the right plane. This is too much for right, so let's edit the sketch again. Sketch again and move somewhat near to the right plane. I think that's enough. Okay, now we need another one, but it will be in different direction, right? For that, do mirror operation first. Select the part, select the right plane, and okay it. Now use transform tool, select the entity and use rotate. And it is asking axis right before I draw a line. So this is the axis we need to use to rotate. So when I selected the part rotates, and I want to give 90 degrees rotation, and give and hide the sketch. Now we don't need it. Now we want this type twist. For that we have a tool called Loft. Select the face and select this second face, and you can see the twist part is formed, but it's not completely twist. For that we need to add the guide, because it is parallelly intersecting the vertices. That's why we're not getting this shape. For that we need to add guide to that. So select the spline, 3D spline here, and select the vertices to make a spline between them. Just imagine when we twisted is what edges are transforming to one position to another position. For example, here see this vertex is meeting exactly to this vertex. So that's what I said. This vertex, this down vertex, going to meet this down vertex, not this. So for that, I'm going to select this. Okay. Now that's in that one guide is enough for that. Now click on OK. Now we successfully added the guide. Now do the loft operation by selecting the faces. Now we need to give guide. Here you can see guide and continuity. Click on this. Now add this guide between them. Now see the path, the loft operation is following this particular guide. So that's why the shape of this lofted part is changed and it is following this path. Now click on OK and you can see we got the twisted shape. Now you can do boolean operation to the parts and click on OK. Now we successfully created. Now you can apply fillets to them. Let's give edges of the face. Let's do 0.01. It is not working. So for that we need to do one thing. That is, first we need to fillet these side edges. Give the maximum value so we get a smooth shape right there. 0.2 handling 0.5 1. I think that much is enough, right? If you can observe. Now click on OK. Now give fillet to edges right now. Give 0.01. Now it's following. But still we need to give this edges, and then it works perfectly for tangent fillet operation. Now fillet the sharp edges also 2.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4. 1 is okay. It's not okay. 1.5. That much limit is enough. Now click on fillet again. Give 0.02 inches. Now click on edge. See, now by using the tangent propagation, the whole edge gone to fillet operation on both sides. Now click OK if you want to give holes, so you can give. Now click OK. And to the isometric view, and right here you can see, just hide the curve again. We just created the same figure what we have here, 3D model, by using Loft tool. We can also change the views for correct. I think you might understand how to perform how to work with the Loft operation using twisted like models in the Onshape CAD software. You can also perform the same operation like in any CAD software. Just that's on your wish, guys. If you like my practice model please do like, share, and subscribe our channel, guys. It is really good for me, and in future in the from upcoming tutorials I'm going to teach you work with these surface tools, and it is very useful, guys. I will teach you soon. That's all about today's topic, guys. Thank you. Have a nice day, guys. Before I just forgot to mention this part. Actually, here we get the sharpened edges, right? To avoid this, we have another approach in the Loft tutorial itself to get the smooth twist. For that, just going to edit the Loft tool. Here you can see the end conditions. Just give them start with normal to the profile and give the same as end profile condition to normal to profile, and you will get the smooth twist right here. You can see we get a very smooth twist here as per shown. Now click on OK, and now you can see we got the very smooth edge for this. Now you can see we don't need this 3 more fillets. Just delete them and add new fillet again as per the edges. Now we don't need to give several fillets also. By using tangent propagation, it will select it on all sides. This is the point I need to add to this video, guys. I hope you don't misunderstood and get the good shape. Thank you, guys.